Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to dive into more affordable nail finds, and this time we're going to highlight MelodySusie. I'm so excited about this box because some of you have been asking me for affordable nail finds that are HEMA and TPO free, and MelodySusie has you covered. So when they reached out to ask to send me some stuff, I was like, yes, I would love to try your gel polishes to see how they perform here on my channel. So that is what we're going to do today. So we're just unboxing everything that they sent over. They included some really nice gel shades, and these brushes look absolutely fantastic. I really like how they feel in the hand, and check it out. We have like the finest nail art brush, and we just have that perfect long detail brush mixed in here too. I really like these, and I've been using these brushes for the last few weeks, and I have been enjoying them. They don't feel really light in the hand. They feel really nice. So some of the polishes that they sent over, first of all, this packaging right here, this metallic silver is absolutely everything. But the moment that I knew, I was like, okay, this is going to be good. First of all, look how opaque this gel polish is. And then we have like that perfect oval shaped brush, which is really just going to get right up by that cuticle line to help you get that clean finish. And then they included a cat eye gel polish, which we're going to dive into and create a whole look based on this color right here. And then they did include a bar style magnet in the polish as well. But the packaging, this time we have a little bit of a light pink moment going on. I will say like the diamond cup bottle and just the packaging itself is giving it a very luxurious kind of moment at an affordable price. And then I was scrolling through the MelodySusie website, and I could not believe how many different gel polish colors they have and cat eyes they offer on their website. I was not expecting them to have that great of a color selection. So whatever you're looking for, if you're looking for something more on the neutral side, or magnetic gel polishes, or that perfect pop of red, MelodySusie has you covered, and I am loving the bottles. And if you're looking for something that's plant-based, MelodySusie has you covered for that as well. So this formula is not only plant-based, but it is HEMA, HPMA-free, and TPO-free, and the color selection is absolutely fantastic for this collection, and that bottle is absolutely beautiful as well. And then we are going to test out the plant-based gel base and the gel top coat as well, so stay tuned for that. The next thing that we have here is a mini cure light, which is absolutely adorable as well. So it comes in pink like you see here, white and purple. This is also a cordless, so once you charge it, you can use this not only for like flash curing your nail art, but you can also fold it down, and then if you're applying your jelly tips or anything like that, you can use this lamp for applying your jelly tips, or if you're applying some nail charms and you're just looking to go ahead and cure that as well throughout your nail art process, it just folds up nicely like this, and the charge lasts between 2 to 3 hours, and this is just such a fun, unique product. I really like that you can use it multiple different ways. And another reason I do like how compact this is, I can just fold it up and just put it right in my nail art drawer. I did charge it once, and I'm still using it just to like flash cure my nail art, and it's been a game changer, and I have not had to recharge it since, so we're still going strong with that light. And then here's a nice little pamphlet of just the many different things in the color selection that MelodySusie has to offer. All right, so we're going to test out a few of the gel polishes here to see how they perform to create just kind of like a pink wintry kind of moment here. So we're going to incorporate the gels, and then we are going to do some really easy nail art on top of it. So what I'm noticing right off the bat with the first color that we're working with is how opaque it is and just how full coverage, and I was not expecting the coverage to look this good. Now, a little bit of product does go a long way. This does say that it is a thicker formula. I would not say it's, to me, I don't feel like it's a thick formula. When I'm thinking of a thicker formula, I'm thinking like of a rubber-based consistency. This one applied really nicely, and a little bit of product does go a long way. I did pop it in the lamp for 30 seconds, and it cured completely. I did not get any wrinkling or anything like that. But I do really love this color. I think this is the perfect color for like sweater season, doing some little fun sweater nail art, and just like cozy for winter. This is also a really beautiful blush color for upcoming Valentine's Day. Overall, a great staple color to have in your collection. Now I applied this color to 2 of the nails, and I only did 1 coat because it was so opaque, and we had great coverage. And now we're going to dive into one of the cat eye colors. Now this is to me like a pure champagne color, which is perfect for that upcoming New Year's Eve season, or just like a fresh cat eye kind of moment. I really like this because I'm always looking for like that perfect champagne color, and I feel like this hits it because it doesn't have like that brassy yellow undertone to it. This is such a good color. So here's what it looks like before I went ahead and hit it with the magnet with 1 coat. I do like the coverage that we're getting with 1 coat. It's giving you that perfect just glass nail effect. but when you hit it with the magnet, it takes it onto a whole nother level. It's so stunning just to see these magnetic particles just dancing around the nail, but overall really easy to use. I am using a nail stand that also has a magnetic base to it, and I still was able to pull a really good magnetic pull with that. So these cat eyes from MelodySusie are very sensitive, so you can achieve a really easy just magnetic effect with your magnet, which I love that so much. So I cured it, and now I'm doing a second layer. I just wanted to see what it looked like with a second coat, and it just made this color just a little bit more, just melted my whole heart for me. I do like how this looks with a second coat. And now we're just going to give it that beautiful frosted effect. And I am going to apply this color to 3 nails today, and I'm just going to do 2 coats of this, and I'm just going to alternate between this color and then that beautiful dusty blush color that we dove into in the beginning. But I will say I am liking this cat eye polish. Another thing that I noticed when I was playing with these gels is that they did not have that overbearing chemical scent. Sometimes when you're playing with affordable nail brands that are HEMA TPO free, they tend to have a very strong like chemical scent to that, and these did not, which I love that so much. And then this paddle brush right here, you can just see how it just, I love a paddle brush, especially when I'm making press-ons, because it just lets me get right to that cuticle line without having any of that product pool up underneath the side of my nail. So I do prefer a paddle brush, and that paddle brush just worked like a dream. All right, so I finished up the 3rd nail off camera, and now we're gonna go ahead and just implement some really easy nail art. And I figured no better way just to add some nail art than some stamping. And I figured on the little like a dusty blush color nail that we did, I wanted to do like a metallic pinky kind of snowflake moment here. I just thought that would just give the nail a little bit of dimension and just a little pop of bling here. And I love how this looked. This pink was perfect for that metallic snowflake effect, and it turned out so good. I also feel like this would be good with a matte finish as well, but I just really wanted a glossy finish today because we're going to test out that plant-based top coat, but I felt like if you didn't want these snowflakes to be as like glamorous and wanted kind of like a muted effect, this look with the metallic snowflakes would still look good with a matte finish. So after I went ahead and stamped, I just pressed everything down. And then this is all we're doing for these 2 nails. We're just going to do a little bit of stamping on here, and I really love that metallic effect. And then to add some more, just like a little hint of glam to this, we're going to play with some glitter pieces that are shaped like snowflakes. So before we apply those snowflakes, I'm going to do a layer of that plant-based gel base over the entire nail, and I am not going to cure. This is going to be what we're going to use to apply those snowflake glitters. And again, the formula for this was very thin. It didn't have that scent to it either, like a chemical scent, and I do like how it applied to the nail. It self-leveled quickly. So now that I have those snowflakes on the nail exactly where I want them, I'm going to go ahead and just pop this nail into the lamp and cure for a full 30 seconds. But overall, I do like this gel base. I like how it's a thinner viscosity, and I'm always looking for a, not necessarily like a super runny viscosity when it comes to a gel base. But I do like this one, especially for making press-ons, because it's not going to add a lot of extra bulk to the set. And I do like that it is plant-based as well. So we're going to go ahead and finish up and just apply a few more snowflakes to the nails. But overall, such a fun way to just have a cat eye, just like that frosted cat eye nail that we have going on, and then adding just a little bit of glitter to it for just the ultimate like soft touch of glam. Then to seal in everything today, we're going to go in with that final coat, and we're going to test out the plant-based top coat. So I just applied that to the entire nail. I do like the consistency of that as well. It wasn't too thick of a formula. And then I'm going to go ahead and pop that in the lamp and cure for a full 60 seconds. I will say I was pleasantly surprised on the high shine that we got with this gel top coat. I was not expecting it to be that glossy of a shine for some reason. But then here's our finished set. I absolutely love it. It was super simple to achieve, and we used affordable but yet cleaner nail product. So if you are looking for an affordable but yet no HEMA, no TPO, HMA free, this just might be for you. And the color selection that MelodySusie has to offer was on point. I did not expect their colors to be that great. So stay tuned. We are going to dive into more of MelodySusie here on my channel. So if you've tried MelodySusie, let me know what your go-to colors are. I would love to check them out. So everything that we use in today's video can be found in that description box below, and I'll see you all in the next one.